Welcome to Flavour Station, where I'm going to teach you how to make this cracking dessert.
It's here, folks, the Deconstructed Snickers dessert. No messing. It's going to be a good one, baby.
How's he going to deconstruct a Snickers, I hear you say? Well, basically, this is nougat, caramel, peanut, chocolate. Easy. We're going to turn this into a Michelin star style dessert. Keep it locked, baby. I am the conductor. All aboard!
Right then, we're back, Flavour Chasers. It's 2021. It's New Year's Day. First thing we're going to do is we're actually going to deconstruct this Snickers. Yes, we're going to remove the nougat and we're going to use that nougat to make an essence for the mousse element of this dish. It's all good. It's all gravy, baby. This is an invention of my own. I think it's pretty sick. I've been waiting to do this for a long time. And yeah, it's nice, sweet, balanced. You got texture, lovely stuff. You just want to remove the chocolate and then just slice down and remove the nougat. See it? The nugget. Chewy, eggy loveliness. Now, if there's some peanuts left, it doesn't matter. That's fine. Grab yourself a pan, chuck that in there, baby. Boiling water, just cover. We're going to reduce this down, you see. Make a syrup, make an essence. You know, like vanilla essence. It's all just boiled up, baby. Mixer. And we're just gonna boil it and boil it and boil it. It will turn brown, it will reduce down, it will just not make you frown. See it there? Bomba. Look on this up in blood. Now that's the essence. Don't worry about the peanuts, we're gonna strain it. That's done, see it? Reduced by about 6. There we go. Boom. Sieve. You div. Now, for the cakey ganache brownie type element, you need 6 tablespoons of butter, melted, dash that in there. You need soft brown sugar, 250 grams, bang that in there. 1 egg, free range if you've got it. Draw for your piggy diggy. Yeah, then we're just gonna mix all this together. This is your sugar, your butter, your egg. Mix all this together first. Just make sure your butter ain't too hot, because you don't want to cook the egg, it's gonna be weird. Just give it a batter till it looks like caramel. Hasn't got to be completely incorporated, because you got time, baby. You got your flour, everything. Look how fast me I go now. Boy, is a mix. This is good now. We're in tier 4. Gym's closed. You ain't got a home gym. Make this. You burn off the calories, then you put them back in. Right, dark chocolate, 225 grams, half melted, half whole. Melt that in the microwave or use a water bowl and a pan. It's up to you. I always put about 10 grams extra chocolate in when I'm melting it, because it all sticks to the side. See it there? And then you can lick that bowl as well. New year, new you. Nah, blood. We're gonna get fatter. Right, you just want to mix that in there. See it? Now, plain flour, 100 grams. Cocoa powder, 30 grams. See there's something there? A sieve. Now, this is important. You don't want that horrible graininess. So you're just gonna do that. See the cocoa rocks? You just want to shake, in order. And then, yeah, mix that as well. There's a lot of mixing. Mix and blend like the DJ friend. Yeah, man, see that now? This ain't no shop-bought cake mixture. This is a proper thing, blood. We're gonna mix it, beat it, paddle it. Come true with your chocolate chips, chocolate chunks. If you got a chocolate bar, just shave that bad boy. Just chop it up nice. Wipe down, you dirty pig. What happened to you? Now you got that, you just want to get yourself any tray you like. I'm going to use this because I want nice rectangular pieces, but you can make a big boy one. This is going to be about 4 portions. Into an oven, 180, 20 minutes. Look, see your essence there? Now, we're going to make the mousse, baby. Separate 2 eggs. You need 2 egg whites and 1 egg yolk. You can separate it like that, or you can just use your hand like that. Let the white go down. Be careful with that, because you need that yolk. I'm only yolking, mate. Now your brownies out. Cake, ganache, whatever. Now here's a nice trick for you. You want your egg whites and your cream to be the same amount. See it there? Essence in there. Essence de nougat. 1 tablespoon of icing sugar. Get yourself a whisk if you don't have a hand whisk. A blender whisk thingy. Mixer. Until she firms up nicely. Like that, you see? She's not moving, she's firm, but not over whipping. Now we're gonna do the eggs. This is a fun bit. Hard, stiff peaks, baby. Till it's not moving, till it's bouncy a little bit. It's got that shine. It's like meringue, the same level. See it? Thickening up nicely. Now that thickness. See how it's not moving? Check like that. Perfect! Now for the next bit, egg whites. You got your cream and your nougat. There's your yolk. That'll give it a beautiful shine. It'll add a richness. And I know these are raw eggs, so if you're pregnant and them thing there, you're scared of it, don't do it. You just want to fold that in there, which will loosen it a little bit. But then your egg, you're going to fold your egg in. See it there? Shiny and lovely already. Remember, it's beautiful. This is Flavor Station. You see it? It's gonna taste beautiful. You just gotta fold them in, fold and fold. Don't knock the air out, because it will go all sloppy. You want it nice and, yes, moussey. See it there? Oh, it's so smooth. Now you're just gonna set it in the fridge. What you wanna do is put it in a piping bag ready for your plating, and it'll cool down quicker like that. Grease proof. We're gonna make the tuiles now. Peanut butter tuile. 100 grams of plain flour, 3 egg whites not whisked, 100 grams of caster sugar. This one's easy. Piggy diggy again. Now you just want to beat these together. And what this means, brethren, that you're gonna cream the sugar with the egg, and it's just it's just consistency. All right. Now 2 tablespoons or 1 heaped massive bit of just normal shop bought smooth peanut butter. The smell of this is just incredible. Now they're combined, nice and smooth. Chuck your flour in, no sieve, nothing. This is a tuile batter. Now, if you've never made tuiles before, see it there? All incorporated. That's a lovely peanut butter tuile batter. Now, if you've never made these before, they're basically a French sort of biscuit. But the trick is, you see, it's moldable when it comes out the oven first. You can do all sorts of mad shapes. Wait down again, look on the mess, yeah, Mick. Now, you get yourself greaseproof paper and a tray. Now you want about a tablespoon, and we're just gonna spread it thin as you can get it, to be honest with you. If you can get it to like 2 mil, that'd be beautiful. Yes, man, look, Pano. Just spread that into your oven, 200 degrees. I'm not even gonna time it because you can never tell, but I'd say 7 minutes. But you just want to keep an eye on it. You'll know when it's done, I'll show ya. Now, while that's cooking, gonna make our salted peanut crumb. Sounds fancy, but it ain't. It's just salted peanuts from the packet. Chopper, blender. Now, if you've got a friender with a blender, they can lend you. It makes it so much quicker, easier. I'll just use a knife though. I like it, it's exercise. It's all in the flick of the wrist, innit? You gotta keep your wrist strong, you know, in this cooking game. And it's quite simple. All we're gonna do is just gonna chop it small until it looks like a kind of crumble topping, a crumb, basically. Look at that, baby. Just chopper. Look at them nuts. Chopping my nuts. Now look, that's how you want your peanut dust. Now your tuile, it's cooked when it's like that. You see, golden around the edges, just golden. And just, now, you gotta move quick while this is hot. If you can't hack the heat, leave it flat and snap it off into shards. But I like to do shapes with it. See how you can bend it? This is gonna cool down as dry as a biscuit. Like crunchy, it's beautiful. Now, if you can't do this with your hands, grab a rolling pin or something like that. I'm just gonna make a little boat for my mousse to sit inside. And I'm gonna chop the edges off so they're nice and straight. But I'll do that when it's cool. And then there we go. Yes. Just hold it till you can feel it stop moving. And there we go. It stopped moving. I've stopped moving. I thought it froze then. Yes, man. Now, tuiles are really good because if you make too much batter, you can just keep making them and just twisting them into mad shapes and having them as a snack. It's like a fortune cookie kind of pastry. See it there? I've just chopped the edges off, giving it a nice flat thing. Now we're gonna make some sugar work, caramelly sort of nest thing to just slip on top. It's nothing in it, no water, nothing, just sugar. Just give it a little mix now and then. Not a mix, sorry. Don't mix it, no! Just let it melt on its own, but give it a little shake, see it moving away. You don't want it to burn around the edges. Now look, you can move it now and it'll all just melt. The last thing you want to do is put your finger in this, blood. If you put your finger in this, you are done out here. Oh my days. Now I had a bit of a stinker with the camera. I didn't press record, but I did some fat ones, some with cling film, but I can't really show you. New kitchen coming soon. Oh, yes. Now you just want to, just put them on there. Just like drizzle it down. See how I'm doing it? See the thing? Gonna give it that lovely sweetness. Little bitter notes in there as well though, but then you've got chocolatey, Rich chocolate. You got creamy light mousse. You've got your Tuile for crunch and like not too sweet, but it's got the peanut butter flavour. You got the salty crumb. I'll just say it's a really nice recipe for people that like that sort of thing. Now your brownie. We're coming true, blood. I'm going to show you how to cut these into nice little rectangles. You're going to waste a lot, but what you can do, you can just put it to the side if you like to make sundaes. Now, a knife and a jug, and you're going to need hot boiling water. Now, this will heat up your knife and just help it glide through nicely, like so nicely, and you won't break up and go weird. Now your brownie's cooled down a little bit, you see? Should just chip off, but these you'll waste, but you don't waste because you can give them to the kids, you can give them to whoever, you can make a sundae. Look at it, look on this something, see how it's moist and it's squidgy and it's beautiful, baby. Now you just want to go down the middle, hot knife, remember, gently, let the knife do the work. Last thing you want to do is just press straight down and have just a mess. Oh, somebody come look at this. Oh my days, it's beautiful. Now down that middle, nice and quick, look. No messing, look at that. Oh, it's lovely, so rich. You don't need no more than that per portion, I'm telling you. Oh, so rich, but just amazing with that mousse and that. Oh, you wait. Now, that's for your plating. Get all your bits and bobs. Now, for your final element, caramel sauce. You want about 1.5 tablespoons of butter, sugar just to cover. Melt that down, get it nice and hot. Don't stir it too much, it'll crystallise. Once it starts to go brown, see around the edges, starting to caramelise nicely, grab yourself some double cream. Bang that in there, mixer. And as soon as you just keep adding your cream till it's like that, basically. Child's play. Right, time to plate this baby. Caramel sauce. Boom. Yes, smash it with a ladle. Haha. Now, crumb. It's not for pattern, it's just to make sure it's a nice semicircle, nice round. You don't want it flicking all over the place. Little bit on there, then your spongy, cakey, ganache brownie. Oh, Tuile filled with your mousse. Look how creamy and just, oh, look at her. Beautiful, man. Then your sugar work just into your mousse like so. And there we have it. The deconstructed Snickers dessert. Like and subscribe. Bang a comment in there for me. Let me know what you want to see next, blood. Because we're going hard this year, I'm telling ya. 2021. Man's coming for the crown, blood. Love you, bye.
I hope you enjoyed that episode. Thanks for watching. Click that to subscribe, click that to watch the next video. You know how it goes. Happy New Year 2021. Please be better, please. Thanks for watching. Sick.
Neighbor Station.